Hi there, students. A consortium. A consortium. This is several businesses or several banks joining together as a group for a joint venture, for a shared purpose. So a consortium bought the mineral rights to this area. They bought the rights to extract the oil. I mean, normally a consortium is several businesses or several banks or investors working together to buy something or to invest in something as a joint venture. So it's a cooperative arrangement, among a group or among a group of institutions, okay, so a consortium, an association of two or more individuals or companies or organizations or even governments or a combination of any of these, pooling their resources to achieve a common goal. Okay, so effectively the different members of a consortium put money into a project or resources, and they then between them have joint control over it, and they share the profits as well. Okay, so a consortium. Okay, if you wanted to build an oil tanker, maybe you could have a consortium to do that, or you could have a consortium of academic institutions, a consortium of various universities, or maybe if you're going to build a pipeline that goes from one place to another, then this is going to be a very expensive thing, and a consortium of different companies works together to do this. Or for example, the manufacture of Airbus. Various companies collaborated on the development of the Airbus range. Okay, so it's it's where people are cooperating but competing as well. So this is where competitors are collaborating in an area that's not strategic to their core business, and like that they can do something or undertake a project that they might not be able to do otherwise. Okay, so it's an agreement or a combination of groups, companies, who work together to undertake an enterprise that is too expensive for any single member. It's something that's just too complicated for one person to do on their own. Or it's too expensive, and therefore several people join together in order to do the project. And this is the idea of a consortium. Various different companies, different groups working together. Let's see, this is a pure business word. As to formality, I guess I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but use it anywhere. Definitely business word. And as to origin, okay, it comes from con, with, and source. The source bit is sharing, partnership. So the two different groups are sharing the different things of it, and that's the idea. They're working together. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Consortium.